Let's talk a little bit about the maintenance of dental implants. We often have patients who come in who need to have all of their teeth replaced, all upper or all lower or both. And the question is, how soon can I have this replaced, and how long will it last? Well, one of the factors is if you lost those teeth because of periodontal disease, gum disease, etc., then we have to be careful, because if you invest a lot of money in placing implants and a full upper bridge and you don't maintain it, you're going to lose that as well. So please keep in mind, if you're going to invest a lot of time and money, you also have to invest some effort after the restorations are complete, so that you can maintain them and they can last you indefinitely. This is no different from buying the most expensive car in the world and not taking care of it. If you don't take care of it, it doesn't matter how well it was made, it will fail. But if you take care of it, it'll last you a very, very long time, and you'll have a lot of satisfaction from having made this investment in yourself.